It arrived. I finally got it. Brand new Hawas. Let's unbox it and see what we think. All right. Ooh. I mean, dang. That looked good. But we don't care about the bottle. I'm not even going to waste a strip on this. Let's just go straight up arm. Check out that atomizer. Oh, crap, I can smell it. It's a really good atomizer. A warm, spicy, sweet fragrance. So you're taking that spicy DNA and you're warming it up with a nice little bit of spice in there. There's like a fruity sweetness. Like the sweetness isn't just like obnoxious, like candy, marshmallow, anything like that. Like it does smell like a fruit. Nice little bit of like a powder note in there. Oh, I'm liking it. Again, this is taking the Hawas fragrance line and it's adding like another layer to it. That's good. That's really good. So the actual fragrance notes on Fragrantica at the moment are amber, patchouli, lime, rosemary, and green apple. Oh, you do get that sweetness from the green apple. And you're getting that kind of like a rosemary balance, like just the nice little freshness. That lime's coming through. The lime and the apple are working really well together. That amber's there, but I'm hoping when it dries down, the amber just punches you in the face. That's what I'm looking for. Top part says amber, patchouli, woody, warm, spicy, earthy, balsamic. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. This might be one of the most perfect fall fragrances that Hawas has in its line. And hopefully, I know this is stupid, but I'm hoping this is gonna be my favorite Hawas. I'm really hopeful. Again, Fire, I think is still my favorite. This might give it a run for its money. Unlike the last time when I got Malibu, which again, I like Malibu a lot. It was a little bit less than what I was hoping for, but still very good. And then Cobra, we won't even talk about that one. This one, on the other hand, this is good. I'm gonna compare it to something though. Have you been in a Delta Lounge? It kinda almost smells like the Delta Lounge DNA. Which if I'm honest, I've been wanting a fragrance that is a Delta Lounge. It smells so good. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm sorry. I don't know how to explain it, but it does kind of have that Delta Lounge vibe to it. Ooh. So hopefully this is a good fragrance. I'm gonna wear it for a couple days and then I will do an updated ranking of all the Hawas lines. I know I didn't do the 2 new ones, redoing it. I will do it now once I get acquainted with Verde to make sure that it's as good as I think it's gonna be. We'll see, we may have an upset in the Hawas line coming soon. Comment down below, have you smelled Verde? What are your thoughts on Verde? And honestly, is there a better looking bottle in Hawas? Because that's really good. I think Malibu might be my favorite, but this, honestly, this might take over because there's just something nice about that bottle. Not that you wear the bottle, but hey, it'll sit on the shelf. You want it to look good. This is Nubs Fragrance. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. And as always, it's good to see you. Have a good day.